everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. I'm coming to you with a real short little video today. I am going to start testing out some recipes for the holidays, for gift giving recipes for the holidays. Real easy, not too many items. These are going to be some spiced nuts. I buy this container, which is 2 pounds. I get these at Sam's. You can probably get them at Costco's, at your local grocery store, wherever you like to buy them. So I like to buy these because, I mean, it's a lot. And I will try, I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but I'm going to try to link them for you in the description box. Okay, so we're going to take our nuts. And these nuts are lightly salted deluxe mixed nuts. If you want to add some peanuts into this, you certainly can, whatever your preference is. I have the items that I'm using right here. We are first going to take our melted butter, Worcestershire sauce, some chili powder, some garlic powder, not garlic salt, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and just another half teaspoon of salt. Because the nuts are already salted, you don't want to overdo that. Okay, and then we're just going to give this a little mix. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's all going to get mixed in the nuts anyway. So then we just pour it over our nuts. If you want it a little spicier, you know, you adjust your heat how you like it. I like them quite spicy. And then we're just going to give this a good mix. And that's it. Because right now you should have your oven preheated to 325. I have 2 cookie sheets with some parchment paper. Makes it easy for cleanup. Put half of this in the first one. Try to put it in a single layer. We could probably put it in one sheet, but you know, I like to toss them about halfway through to make sure that they dry up properly. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna pop these trays in the oven. They're gonna stay approximately 30 minutes. So in about 15 minutes, I go in and give them a good toss and then put them back in for 15 more minutes until the seasoning, see how wet it is, until it's completely dry. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Okay, everybody, the nuts are finished. They had been out of the oven and I let them cool completely so there's no steaminess or anything. I'm going to share with you how I like to package them, what I use for the holidays or for different occasions if I decide to give this. If it's going to be for yourself, you can put them back into your package and keep them in there for a week. I doubt they're going to last because they're delicious. Or you can use smaller portion cups like this. Let's just add it in here while we're at it here. Just use this little scooper. Portion them out like this if you want. And they're fine. Or if you want to give them as little gifts, you can put them in these mason jars. And then you cover them and put a bow and a little sticker on them. They'll be really, really cute. Or I get these little boxes at the Dollar Tree or one of your dollar stores. This is good for co-workers, and believe me, it holds quite a bit of product. See, look at that. That look cute? How cute. I would love to get that. Or if you want to give more, I get these little boxes. I use these for everything. I use these for cupcakes, for slice of cake. These little boxes from Amazon. Just like that. You can add a little sticker to this. And that makes for a cute bow. Now you can give these for Christmas, for Thanksgiving. Do like that. And who's not going to like to receive something like that, and then the product inside is delicious. You can even put a little flower on these. Just like that. Or a little ribbon. I don't have any ribbon right now, but... And that's it, guys. The product, I will leave all the information, the recipe, in the description box below. I just wanted to share with you this little recipe. So don't forget, if you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. That really helps my channel. Okay, guys, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.